features like MVC architecture, two-way data binding, directive underlay sections. Then will explain the MVC architecture.
MVC architecture has several patterns to be executed in an annual basis. MVC model view controller. The model will be used to handle this business and their logics in algorithm in their knowledge. Controller used to act as a integrated between model view and it acts as a binding point between the model view.
There are various understanding attributes that we must understand to learn about the angular series. As Khalid has said, the angular is created as a rivalry to the React.js, so it has several components similar to React.js. First one would be two-way data binding. Two-way data binding it binds the model to the view of the in AngularJS, we use considers HTML and models considers JavaScript object. So it helps in binding both of them. And in both vice versa, we can use it from the model or from the view. And second one is directives. There are various directives such as ng model, ng repeat, and ng if that are used as universal components which reduces our time and increases the efficiency of the users. As I has explained, the MVC architecture is also considered as the understanding attributes because it has model, view, and controller. In model, we can consider as a data, and view is a UA, and control it is a logic. So we connect the UA to the data using several logics. Dependency injections. Dependency injections is considered as a pre-planned data which is inserted in the data to avoid any unnecessary errors. Templates. In React, we know that there are various templates to support the HTML code. So the same goes for the AngularJS. They provide various AngularJS templates to support the HTML code. And then filters. There are various filters and data considered as currency, date, time, and all. So if you need some data or something, you just need to provide the exact data type. So you can provide the. You don't have to give a specific details about it. And services. About the services, we provide HTTP, timeout, and location. The most goes like given we use a given request and we provide services. Most of it goes by faster because it has various templates and uses. And routing. Routing helps in connecting various lines and the network of the data and testability. There are various data many basically JavaScript objects is synchronized into HTML logic. What we are seeing in the template is called as view. Similarly, every object in JavaScript are synchronized and displayed to the users. There are three types of data binding. One-way data binding. In this data binding, data flows from the data can only flow from model to view. The objects will flow from view, but view cannot be updating models in the is called as two-way data binding. Two-way data binding is like models can also update the view and the view can also update the object. If we are editing the HTML content, we will also update the JavaScript objects. This is called as two-way data. One-way data binding means we can only update the model to view or expression in AngularJS. Expression means concatenation, multiplication, those are called as expressions. In AngularJS, these expressions are written in the double curly braces. Some of the support filters is similar to JavaScript expressions. The AngularJS